Hello everyone. So again, Harry, welcome to my YouTube channel Harry and World. So today I am in Barcelona, and Barcelona is already very famous in Europe, and everyone know about the Barcelona. My plan is to go to the Gurdwara to eat some, and now the buses is over here. I need to take a tickets over there, and now we have the three guys here. They also wants to go to the town, but for the town we need to pay. It's, you see, day ticket is 4.5, and for us too it's gonna be 3 for both sides. So they have only for one way after single, solo another 3. So €3 they're gonna charge for that one. And now the three guys is here now. Hello, tell me about yourself, buddy.
Hello, I'm going to Barcelona.
So they also have to plan to go outside over there.
Hello guys.
So,
Hello,
so today they also wants to go in the Gurdwara, or maybe they want to round over there in the town. So we are just waiting for our turn now. He said let's wait for it because the wheelchair guys are coming outside. So now they're gonna charge for €3 something like this. So okay, we're gonna
copy.
see you within a few minutes. Bye for now. So I am just waiting for the bus, but now my plan will change. So I take the taxi, and then taxi they're gonna charge you €18 something like this, and then I go to Sagrada Familia. It's the highest cathedral in the world. So because the bus is take you all the round, that's why I change my mind, and then I go with the taxi. This taxi driver is a old one. He was from Pakistan, and then he know the all shortcuts way to go to the cathedral. So he take me the fast, and that's why I choose the taxi, because I need to come back in the time. So I'm just take the taxi here. But guys, if you have a plan to go inside the cathedral, you need to make an advance booking 2 months before. Otherwise, the same day it's not possible to anyone to go inside the cathedral, because I saw the plenty of peoples, they buy tickets 2 months before and they are going inside. The same day you can click a picture from outside, but not possible to go inside. The charges of this one, it's €10, and you can go inside this cathedral, but not the same day. Guys, so finally I reach here. You see, it's look amazing, but still the crane is working on the top, and I saw this one before 5 years. It's the same like this, and then still working on progress. Let's see when they're gonna finish this one.
Amazing!
So I am in the street of Barcelona, near to this Sagrada, and it's look amazing. The street is very nice, but still I am looking for money exchange. So maybe I need to ask with someone, because I can't see any of the shops over there they're gonna exchange. It's a Mexican, and actually I want to find some Indian food, but I heard that they have, and I need to go to the different street. And where's the money exchange? So finally I reach here in Barcelona, in Sargeda, and I am just sitting, and I already placed one order. And for drink I just order, because I stopped drinking beer and alcohol, so that's why I just order mojito. Let's try. If I already drink in some time in India mojito, but I will try this. How's the outside, out of the world mojito. It's very nice, and then I will place order. Then I'm waiting for my order now. I can show you that's what I order. So finally my food is here now, and you can see everywhere bread I want to eat, and this is my food now. So finally I reach in the terminal where I do my duty, and this is the terminal of Barcelona. So now my journey will stop here, because it's now my duty will start at 4 o'clock, so I need to go back and start my duty. Still I have half an hour more, so I stop my channel now, so you can please subscribe my channel. So guys, now I am closing and stop my video because I need to go to my duty. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel, Aryan World, for more videos and updates. See you for now. Bye.